Inflation has been steadily declining in South Africa, especially since the drought ended early in 2017. Food price inflation was at 11.8% in December 2016. It's now at 3.5%.
Food inflation is down. We saw very moderate rate increases in fuel prices, and those were sort of the two key drivers. We expect inflation to start picking up. Definitely the April number will be pushed higher by the VAT increase and also the higher fuel prices.
The Reserve Bank projected a steady decline in inflation due to improved rainfall patterns and the currency's strong gains against the dollar. The bank cut rates at its last meeting, but cautioned that international shocks could dampen prospects of further rate cuts.
The probable trade war between the US and China would definitely, hit emerging market assets like the rand. Last year we saw a strong improvement in global trade volumes, for instance. And should we see, these protectionist measures being pushed through, we are likely to see that strong momentum being disrupted.
Despite inflation easing to levels last seen in 2011, South African consumers are still feeling the pinch in their pockets.
Every time I visit a store, the prices went up. I don't know what's happening. Not so long ago, bread was, you could get change for this much. All of a sudden, when you buy bread, there's not even change anymore.
Most of the people, they don't work. Most of them, others, they are struggling to get work. So why should the rates must be up? That is why I say it must be down.
Higher fuel costs could once again push up food prices. Eskom too is applying for tariff increases, and the impact of the 1 percentage point increase in VAT is already being felt.
Petrol, food, transportation also, it's going to go up soon because we are using public transport. By using public transport, if the VAT has increased, even the fares are going to increase.
We are affected a lot. I'm paying the tracker, I'm paying the insurance, I'm paying the car, installment. So all these things are affecting me.
The Reserve Bank's outlook changed at its last MPC meeting. The bank pushed out a possible rate hike until late next year as the risks to inflation subsided. But the bank also warned of international shocks, including a possible trade war, saying the impacts could reverse the positive outlook. For now, though, some economists feel there's still room for one more rate cut. Sumitra Nydoo, CGTN, Johannesburg.